This year, Samsung has not released its Smart View case for the latest Galaxy models. Therefore, for fans of this type of case, we offer an alternative. Our Smart View wallet is an intelligent flip case that, thanks to a special cutout on the front, gives you a miniature preview of what's happening on your Samsung's display. Importantly, we currently have many color variations of this case available, so everyone can find something to suit their style. To make the case work, installing an app is necessary, so let's go through the process. Scan the QR code included in the package and download the Smart Window app. If the installation is automatically blocked, go to the Security and Privacy settings and disable automatic blocking. Then return to the installation process, complete it and accept all necessary permissions. Now comes the crucial step. You must activate the app by placing the back of your phone against the back of the case. Simply putting the case on the phone is not enough. Next, allow Smart Window to display over other apps and grant it access to notifications. Put on the case and enjoy a fully functional interactive window. For many, a key feature is the ability to accept and reject incoming calls directly from the window. In the end, it's a sleek, practical flip case that effectively protects your phone and enhances its overall functionality.